Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by aligning school and NDA requirements. Map overlapping topics so you avoid duplication. Once done, prioritize high-yield subjects and schedule 90 to 120-minute focus sessions. This builds depth without burning out. Make sure to assemble core materials, textbooks, past papers, and concise notes before deep study. Having everything at hand saves mental switching time. Begin with one subject batch per week to create momentum, and use time blocks in your calendar to protect study windows immediately. You now focus on active, deliberate practice. Use spaced flashcards and self-testing to lock facts into long-term memory, because passive rereading wastes time. Once that foundation exists, alternate focused problem sessions with timed mock exams every 1 to 2 weeks to build exam stamina and reveal weak areas. Make sure to fold school assignments into NDA topics. That alignment converts required coursework into targeted prep. Use short review sessions after class to cement learning and adjust the study plan weekly. You finish by tapering, 2 to 3 weeks out. Stop heavy new input and ramp up full-length mocks to simulate test conditions, because performance practice beats last-minute cramming. Once done, prepare rapid review sheets per subject containing formulas, key dates, and drill commands for quick pretest refreshers. If progress stalls, use a 48-hour focused sprint, short, intense sessions with no distractions. Then recalibrate your calendar and cut low-value tasks. This restart clears inertia and reveals what to drop or keep.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.